Hey everybody, it's me, and I'm in my basement at my new farmhouse in Michigan, and I've got some projects that I need to do, and I'm learning how to do them. Here's the first project: water filter. So we're looking at our water filter here, and it is the canister that holds the water filter. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to shut off the water pressure to the water filter. Now that shut off valve is right there. So I'm just going to pull that. Boom. The water is now shut off. Now I'm going to come over to where that blue canister is. Where'd it go? There it is. And I am going to open the canister first by turning this like so. That shuts off the water. And then I've got this trusty, looks like a tennis racket. I'm going to take that little racket, and that's my wrench. I'm going to slip it right on that guy like that. And hopefully I'll just be able to twist that right off. Yeah. I think I need to set my phone down for that one. Alright, so I'll set the phone right here. There we go. Yep. Alright, this will work just like that. I'm going to get in here, get up in that. Alright. There's going to be some water that's going to pour out of this. And that's normal because there's pressure. Yep. And a little bit of spray, and it's normal. Remember, I turned that water off. All right. So now I'm just gonna dump this water here. There's my dirty filter. Ew. So I'm just going to set that there. I'm going to take my new filter, the canister. I'm going to put that right down on the inside of that. There it is. And then I'm just going to return this right back on there. Should be pretty easy to get right back on there. Hold on a second. Yep, those are the same size. So it should be pretty easy. Get that right back on there. There we go. See that? Yeah, I'm just going to tighten that up in my hand. And then, there we go. Now, all I should have to do is turn the water pressure back on, like this. Ooh. There it goes. Job complete.